Trick to remember the image formation of concave mirror and convex lens. Here there are 5 cases, that is, object is kept at infinity, beyond C, at C, between C and F, and at F. So now let us give the name in the reverse order, that is as for infinity 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the trick, the object and image, let us make a tabular column for this. For the object, that is kept at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, in the same way, image, write it in the reverse order, that is as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, we can observe if the object is kept at 5, that is at infinity, the image will be formed at 1, that is at F. In the same way, if the object is kept beyond C, the image will be formed at between C and F. Similarly, all other cases can be observed. Okay. So now let us focus on the size of the image or nature of the image. Here phi is greater, much more greater than 1. Therefore, highly diminished image, because object size is bigger than the image size. In the same way, 4 is also greater than 1, the diminished image. Okay, so next, for the third one, 3 is equal to 3. That means that the object size and image size both are same. Similarly, 2 is lesser than 4, that is magnified image will be formed, because object size is smaller compared to the image size. 1 is much more smaller than 5, that is highly magnified image we can observe. In this way, we can easily remember the image formation and nature of the image by using very simple trick. Okay, thank you so much.